Today we're going to talk about 3 types of content, but we're going to think about it in a funnel. The closest thing I can think of a funnel is a sink, so here we are in a sink. Mamma mia. Alright, so number 1, we have top funnel content. This is the type of content that is the attention grabber, it's the outrageous, it's the thing that grabs people's attention so they stick around for the next part. Most likely you want to use this for brand awareness. Second, you have middle funnel content. In this, you actually want to be a little bit more specific to the problem that you solve. At this point, the audience knows your name, they know who you are. Now you're going to tell them, this is how I can really solve your problem, and you're speaking to the pain points that they have. And finally, we have bottom content. This is the bottom of the funnel, right where they're about to hit, yes, I'm going to buy your service, or yes, I want to give you my lead information. At this point in time, you might want to give them more of like the logistics. What does it really look like to work with you, and what are the benefits going to be, and how can they measure the benefits after everything's said and done. So now that you know the difference between top, middle, and bottom funnel content, go ahead and try to create intentional content for each part of the funnel. As you could think of a sink, right? The water goes from, I don't know how to tie this in. I thought I had it. I want to tie in the sink somehow. I don't know how to tie in the sink.